What's up, Truth Team? It's your girl, Mickey Truth, SC's #1 urban blog and the queen of paperwork. Listen, Lil Durk is still windmilling, but the government is not letting up off of him. Y'all know he filed a motion to sever the new counts that came in a third indictment. Plus, they like, yo, if you don't want to sever, just throw the whole indictment out. Yeah, well, the feds clapped back, and they clapped back a little hard, but was it kind of like, a little shaky? Let's get into it.
We have Mickey Truth.
Who is this? You got Mickey Truth kicked out.
Shout out Mickey.
Let's get one thing clear. This your girl, Mickey Truth. Alright, y'all. So listen, the new filing has nothing to do with any new evidence or nothing like that, okay? It's just basically stating, like, standing their ground. The feds like, yeah, the defense capping. We ain't hold no evidence. We gave them the evidence like 2 weeks before they say we gave it to them. Like, I was like, hold on, what? Yeah, let's break this down, okay? So the government says Durk team already had the iCloud evidence, okay? Because one of the biggest points in their filing is that the government claims that despite what the defense said about not getting the iCloud evidence from co-conspirator 4 until 2026, they actually got it December 2025. Now I know I'm like, oh, so it was 2-3 weeks before. Now, you know, it's a holiday season. People be on vacation, like all that. Now, it also says that the June 2026 production was simply a smaller forensic report pulled from information the defense had already possessed for months, meaning they had it hidden in some way that the defense couldn't see it yet. And I peeped the play. Now, that's just my opinion, though, okay? So, next said, the prosecutors reject claims they delayed the case. I ain't gonna hold you even before I get into what they said in the motion. I mean, at this point, because for one, you're trying to delay the case to me, okay, in my opinion, because you wasn't ready to try the case for Lil Durk anyway. If Lil Durk didn't have that flight to catch that day, they wouldn't have arrested him right then and there because they wasn't ready, and it shows. But according to this filing, the government says it repeatedly contacted defense attorneys after the third superseding indictment. It circulated proposed scheduling agreements. It sought clarification on whether trial would proceed on August 20th. Several defense attorneys indicated they were prepared for trial depending on how pending motions were resolved. So as right now, trial will be next month. Those who keep asking me, I don't know, because I can't plan for a trial for the third time, because this will be the third time I'm planning to go to Cali for this trial, and then they push it back. So I don't know if I'm going. I'm just saying, okay? Now, the government also, okay, in this document is saying that Durk caused delay. Like, he helped cause the delays. And I was like, hold on. What you mean? Okay. So according to this, okay, said that Durk cannot claim speedy trial rights were violated because, according to prosecutor, his own legal team requested delays, okay? The government points to an initial request for 11-month continuance, okay? A motion seeking to disqualify all central district judges and a U.S. Attorney's Office. I remember that we broke that one down, okay? Request to vacate scheduled hearings and trial dates. Other procedural motions that postpone proceedings. Now, I ain't gonna hold you, Durk. Now, I do remember a couple of these things, but at the same time, I mean, they keep coming with these superseding indictments. It's the third one in 2 years, okay? Now, y'all already know the feds is standing firm. Do not dismiss this case, judge, okay? It's not justified. Now, according to them, okay, Durk has not shown why the indictment should be dismissed, okay? His reply brief does not specify how much additional time he will actually need if the court denies his pending motions. Therefore, the government believes there is no basis for relief being requested. Now, all I'm going to say is this, okay? The government is basically defending how they handle all the discovery and things like that. Now, I will say they're insisting that, the defense already had access to all the digital evidence. What I told y'all just a few minutes ago, in my opinion, they wasn't ready for this case anyway with Durk. Now, they was ready for the other people. They wanted to get the other people on this case, see if they can flip them, then come after Durk. But being that they thought Durk was fleeing the country, they ain't had no choice. But, we got to get him. Now it looked real shaky, real slim. Now, does that mean the judge is gonna see it that way? I don't know. I think he got court today. Yeah, Durk got court today. So we gonna do a follow-up video and see how court plays out, because you already know they gonna definitely give us the updates, okay? So with that being said, y'all get in the comments, let me know. Will Durk like have a win, or will he take an L today? Like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend, pull up on your girl, Make It Truth. Catch you on the next one. South Carolina, 803 to be exact. What's up, Truth Team? I am here, okay? About to get a touch of love. Yes, I'm at Touch of Love Massage Shop, okay? Now listen, I've been getting my massages through Touch of Love for years, even before it was a shop to come to. But let me show you around, and then I got to get ready because I'm feeling a little tense. And let me tell you, if you work in like call centers, streamers, YouTubers, sitting at that desk all the time, you definitely need to be tapping in and get your massage. So let's take a tour. So it was located in a nice multi business building. The suite was set up real comfortably. It was like to the back, and the candles was burning. The aromatherapy was definitely there. Okay, so I had to get undressed, and I'm like, yo, I gotta get all the way undressed. But anyway, like I said, being getting massages, Nakia is awesome at what she does, and let me tell y'all, them hands are blessed, okay? I got the full body massage, including, okay, the hot stones. And when I say that hour went so fast, I even went to sleep. And I always go to sleep during massage for some reason. But yeah, definitely needed that, because y'all know I had a night ahead of me, okay? Guys, I'm Nakia. I am the owner operator of Touch of Love Massage Services. I always start with people. I start with the information of what massage is. So massage is the manipulation of muscles. Exercise is the manipulation of muscles. The only difference is we are manually using our hands to do those activities. So a lot of people look at massage as a luxury when really it's a health necessity. So I'm more on the medical side of things. So if you're experiencing any pain of any sort, muscles is 90% of pain, so I would recommend you to come and get a massage. How can they follow you? I do have my business page, Touch of Love Massage Services, on Instagram. I have Touch of Love Massage Services on Facebook, and if you want to set an appointment with me, you can look me up on Setmore. It's an app platform online where you can book appointments. Hey, there you have it. And y'all, I feel like a new woman, but now it's time to parties. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Come join the Truth Team on Patreon. All documents that I use for my content is available to the members. So y'all come tap in with the Truth Team on Patreon.